Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an affordable 3-bedroom property with a garage. This is from Barratt Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This particular development site is called Saxondale, Silsden, and it's located at Keighley, Bradford. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a garage, lounge, kitchen with dining, utility and a clock room. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. Now this is the front view of the house. It's a 3-bedroom detached property with a garage. You'll be getting 2 car park space even in the front. So as you enter the house, you'll find a hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living room and upstairs. Now let's explore the living room first. It's a lengthy living room which is extended towards the front. So towards the front end you'll get a nice bay window which covers all the 3 sides. Very good amount of light falling inside the room. And the space also looks quite okay. You can plan a lengthy sofa towards one side and a small sofa towards the other side. Now towards the other side of the living room, you'll be getting a small storage space with door and lock. Now from this living room, we also have the access towards the kitchen and dining which are coming just behind it. It's a small and simple kitchen with almost all the facilities included. So towards one side you have the kitchen and towards the back side there's some small space to plan a dining table. So this is the kitchen area. The worktop is covering all the 3 sides. There are cupboards on the top and even at the bottom. The space for the dishwasher is given in here. However, the space in between looks smaller. If you observe in most of the 3-bedroom properties, the kitchens are comparatively smaller. Very few builders try to give some extra space in the kitchen. So towards this side, you'll be getting the integrated fridge, freezer and also the oven. One thing which I liked about the kitchen is, even though the space in the kitchen side is smaller, towards the dining area you're getting this garden access through the French doors, so plenty of light falling in the kitchen. We actually filmed it on a nice rainy day, so it was a bit cloudy, but still if you observe, the light is okay in the house. And from this dining space here you have the access towards the utility. They managed to provide a small utility here, which is good. You can plan the washing machine, and if you don't want that cupboard you can actually plan a dryer as well. There's a window coming here in this utility. From this utility you also have the access towards the washroom in the ground floor. It's a small washroom. The space looks okay. There's a window coming towards one side. Almost in all the rooms in the ground floor you are getting a window, so good amount of light and ventilation. We'll show you some glimpses of the garden through these French doors here. Normally in 4-bedroom houses, I've seen some of the builders have given this type of wide French doors, but here for a 3-bedroom property they're giving you these French doors. I really liked it. It's quite wide, almost 3 sides it's covering. So behind you'll be getting a nice garden with fence around it. There's also one window coming towards the kitchen side, so ventilation and light are really good over there. We covered all the rooms here in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. So here on the first floor we'll be covering the master bedroom first. We have 3 bedrooms with this master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. This is a double bedroom with ensuite. So the space looks quite okay here. If you can observe, a double cot fits in and there's really good room space to walk around. The window size also is really good, so nice natural light falling in the room. And towards the opposite side they gave the ensuite and the dressing space with the wardrobes. So the wardrobe space also is really good. and in between you're getting a window even towards the dressing side. So both the sides, good amount of light and air movement. Now let's check the ensuite. The space is quite okay here. There's a walk-in shower towards one side, sink and also the water closet. There's a window coming towards the other end. So this is all about the master bedroom. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. So just opposite to this master bedroom, you'll be getting the second and third bedrooms. So the second bedroom is again a double bedroom. As you can see, a double cot fits in and you have really good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side. So good amount of light falling in the room. They actually planned a wardrobe towards the other side. If you want, you can avoid the wardrobe. The room looks much bigger. And towards the front end, you're getting some extra space. There's a cupboard coming inside. It's a very wide cupboard because there's some kind of extension coming up here. They gave this extra space inside. You can plan some kind of storage here. And even towards the front end, there's good space to walk around. So towards the other side, you can plan a bigger wardrobe than this, or you can skip this wardrobe if you want to. The room looks bigger. So this is all about the second bedroom. Now just beside this, you'll be getting the third bedroom of the house. This is the smallest room. It can be used as a kids room, computer room, anything you want to. There's still a nice window coming towards one side. So again, good amount of light and ventilation. Now beside this small bedroom, you'll be getting the family bathroom. The space is okay in the bathroom here. There's a tub, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window towards one side. We covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on our future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.